Hello everyone, this is Deb. I am here for hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. I realized last week after watching someone that's participating in this, I believe it was Donna, of Donna, I'm not gonna, I'll put her link down below too, as well as the host of this club, who is Jazzy at Crafty Girl Chronicles. Anyway, I realized that there's apparently at least two other planner collabs, and I think they also go up on Monday, but I am sticking with this one at least for the rest of this year, so we'll see. And oh, and also it is time to start thinking about next year's planner. E. I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to keep this or not. I like it, but it's so big. And I'm thinking maybe I want a little bit smaller one now. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, so this time the washi I used were these two. They are open. That one still has a lot on. This one doesn't have much. I believe these were in a pack. They're handmade washi, and I got them at Target. And the thing is, I have a whole nother pack, and it has a wide one, this one. Not sure if this was in the same because the color is different. There were like three washis, and they were all different widths. Might have been in there, but this is more bronzy coppery and this is more gold. Anyway, I used them because I had them, and then I brought in this pack of Craft Smart from Michaels from 2017. And I believe that's probably when I bought it. It's like a vintage looking butterfly, which I love. I love that, but I don't use it often because first of all, I forget about it if I'm doing vintage, and then secondly, in my planner, I don't do a whole lot of black and tan, but I thought this would go with this because it's kind of neutral. And then all the stickers were out of various, like 5 or 6 different, what are they called? Me and My Big Ideas, Happy Planner books, and I've had them for years, with the exception of the leaves and flowers, and they came out of one from Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. So this time, I saw that Jazzy did boxes too, so I thought I'll do boxes for when my videos have to go up and a different color one for appointments. I only have one appointment this week at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. I have to go see the vampire. I have to have blood work done. So anyway, because I have a doctor's appointment the following week. Anywho, and I do this every 3 months right now anyway, which is okay. So I put Be Awesome today. That was out of a different book than this. Dare to be different. I am different, so it's not very daring anymore, but it used to be. Be good, do good, feel good. Pay your future self first because it is my Social Security payday and a little housework thing. That didn't match, but they didn't have any neutral one other than gray. Trust the journey, throw glitter in today's face, and press on and plan on it because I want to do my planner, which I didn't even write in there other than the picture. Well, the picture's enough. I know. I should do my planner on Sunday, and today is Sunday when I'm doing this, so yay me, I finally am doing it on Sunday. Tomorrow I have to go to the grocery store in the morning, and I like to go in the morning and get home before my son leaves for work so that I'm here with Callie, because she really gets anxiety when she's alone for long. I do need to get back on track with my walking. The last few days, yeah, and there's no excuse because it's cool outside and it getting dark, earlier later. So I have to adjust and start walking at noon or 11:30 and then have lunch after, or actually I don't know if it's better to walk after eating or before eating, but I just need to do it sometime during the day, even if it's mid-morning or something. Um, so I need to do the grocery store. I need to get the walk in. Those are my priorities. And then I do have to make a dangle, and that is for the hashtag pink ribbon, but it's for the 10th, which I put on here as a video because I've already done, by the time this goes up, I already have made and done videos for the index card, the Rolodex, and the cluster. And I think that finishes this week, and I actually already made and we'll have a video done for one of the ones for next week, which we'll talk about next week. Okay, and then make embellishments for the 11th and do the video because that's my collab at noon on the 11th. And walk 40 minutes. That's all because I have, hopefully it goes as planned, but I have several different types of embellishments I want to make this day for various things that are happening. And so you'll see that on the 11th, hopefully, if you'll come back. Budget and pay bills, housework, kitty litter, vacuum, dust, mop the main floor, thoroughly clean the bathroom, the main bathroom. I have one up here too. Walk 40 minutes and do 1 or 2 loads of laundry. I did 1 or 2 loads. I did 2 loads today, one large one and one small one. And actually, today I've made a lot of stuff for these. This is Sunday, like I said. Okay, so here, jewelry. I did not get done last week. I didn't even start it. The jewelry for the 15th Passion for Purple nor the 18th Jewelry Making Fun, and I absolutely have to do that. Schedule those videos and have them go up on my other channel. And I really want to get back into doing at least some video a week for that channel because I'm way behind there and I can't be. And then Friday I put jewelry also, whatever I want to make. I might not schedule it for that same day, but I might because, yeah, because the other ones aren't till next week. Walk 40 minutes, walk, work on my boo bag. I'm in the collab with Martha Makes Art, and I'm sorry, I can't remember the other person's name. Scrapbooks and Memories. And that video will go up on the 31st, but it's basically making a Halloween boo bag and filling it with as many goodies as you want to make or can make and fit in there, or it can be store-bought stuff or a combination thereof. I'll probably make most of the stuff. We'll see. Depends on my timing. I might go, I'm gonna write it in here because I won't if I don't do it. I can't find my marker. With my black pen. I'll just write it in black pen. I want to go to Dollar Tree too before I hit the grocery store. And there is one close to the grocery store, so I just am anxious to go there and see what they have, and maybe I'll find something to put in my boo bag. Anyway, walk on Sunday, kitty litter and vacuum. This is also trash and recycle night, but my son does that usually. I just remind him. Work on the boo bag and meal plan for the next week. And yeah, I'm getting things in this grocery shop that should take us through a couple weeks. And the following week is going to be my big pay, so I'll probably do, whatever else we need, I'll get then. But we're running out of stuff, so I need to go here. And that's it, my friends. Oh, for my top 3, I didn't really write them. I just put just make it happen and take care of Callie, who is my cat. And also take care of yourselves, guys. There's something. My granddaughter was out of school 4 days this week with high fever and really bad cough, and they said it could be bronchitis or it could be walking pneumonia. Why can't they tell? I don't understand. So anyway, take care of yourselves is my point, and my thoughts and prayers go to those affected by all the horrible damage and flooding and loss and grief going on in the south of the United States right now. South and, yeah, I'll just leave it at that. This saying says, ignorance never settles a question. In other words, invest in research. Do your research first. Don't be ignorant before you argue a point. Yeah, that's Benjamin Disraeli. Okay. Did not write in my gratitude yet or my notes, and sometimes I do them and sometimes I don't. And that is it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again very soon, as in tomorrow, for 2 videos, one at 7 a.m. Eastern and one at 8 a.m. Eastern. I'm actually going to try and schedule the pink ribbon one at 7 a.m. most days, but because I'm going to do plan, fun, get things done at 7 that day, I'm going to wait an hour and put it up at 8 a.m. Because, most people on the West Coast will still be asleep by then, hopefully. And so that'll just be for my East Coast, but people can watch stuff whenever they want, right? So, anyway, take care. Have a wonderful week ahead, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.